happening?
Help! Help! The police car heard the cries for help. Time to call the rescue team.
There's an accident with the train. Go save them. There's an accident with the train. Go save them.
Okay, we'll get there immediately.
Here comes the rescue team, racing to help. Working together makes everything better.
Oh my God, what's going on?
Great job! The crane is lifting the train and the red car to safety.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Now it's time to fix the broken tracks. Let's make them stronger than before.
We need a new path for the train.
Okay, let's start.
Look, they're filling the hole with sand and making it nice and flat. Wow! They're putting in brand new tracks. Teamwork makes everything possible.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
Whenever you approach a speed bump, you must slow down and avoid speeding.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's so delicate.
Look, a herd of cows is standing near the railway, munching on leaves.
Oh no!
Hello?
La 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 la
Yeah, the food is coming.
la 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 la.
Okay!
Bang! The cows charged straight at the trains.
Oh no!
What's going on? Amazing, ha ha ha.
The cows rush in and eat all the grass happily.
Avoid, avoid. Run, run, run. What happened? Okay, let me help. Help me, help me. There is an accident over there. What? Hey, we come right here. Follow me. Hey, let's go. Go, go, go. Oh no, it's so bad. Oh no, it's so bad.
The tow truck lifts the first train back onto the tracks.
Okay!
Yeah, thank you.
Okay!
Thank you so much. Be careful.
Okay!
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. start building a barn. Go, go, go. Please put them together.
Now let's build a new home for the cows together.
La 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 la.
Fixed for sure. Wow, beautiful. Amazing.
Okay.
Exactly. Hey, hello.
The barn is complete. The cows each get their own space.
New home for them. Should not drop the cattle around, causing danger to traffic.
Good morning. The sun is rising over the construction site, and the vehicles are still fast asleep.
Wake up, wake up.
Okay.
Let's continue to work. Let's start.
La 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 la.
Too much sand. Let me get sand.
Okay. Okay.
The soil is too hard.
Look over there. The red crane is stuck in the sand. Someone help, quick.
We have to help him. Let's do it. Hey, I'm here. Let me help. Calm down, calm down. Okay, go, go, go. Let's go! Fighting, fighting. Come on, come on.
The yellow crane is working together with the excavator, digging fast to rescue the red crane.
This place, try it.
Okay.
Look, the crane is slowly showing up. It's working. No one gives up. They all help until the job is done.
Don't give up.
Hooray! The crane is finally free, but covered in sand.
Keep going, keep going. Yeah, we made it, made it. Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I need to clean. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Meanwhile, the fire truck is watering plants nearby. So peaceful.
Help me, please.
What?
Oh my God, what is this? Please clean my car.
Okay.
The fire truck extends the hose. Get ready to clean. Look at that! The crane is sparkling clean again.
Oh, what a beautiful... Thank you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories.
I'm hungry.
Look, Panda sees the road lines. But what is he thinking?
It's so delicate. Great. Hello,
Sprunky's
hello.
here, whistling and carefree, stepping onto the road.
Oh my god.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Whoa, off-road trucks crash in. It's a total mess.
There is an accident here. Come here.
The police are quickly called to the scene.
Go, go, go. Follow me, please. Thank you so much.
A helicopter joins in. Emergency help is in the air. McQueen and the others are cleared. Traffic is finally moving again.
I need your help. We come here.
Okay.
Stand here. It's my turn.
Here comes the cement truck and mixer, ready to get to work.
Next, we'll build a line.
The crane drops special rectangle molds, just right for road lines.
Wow, wow, it's so great.
The brush dips into paint and carefully fills each line.
Wow, so beautiful.
Now a speed bump and traffic light are added. Safety first.
Road line is very important in traffic.
The train whistles loudly and moves steadily on the tracks.
Hello? Hello?
Oh my god.
Suddenly the light turns red with a warning sound.
Bye-bye.
As the light stays red, a tank enters and growls loudly, showing that impatience often leads to poor choices.
What's going on?
Oh my god.
The tank suddenly charges into the train as it approaches. Reckless actions can cause serious consequences. The tank laughs wickedly and speeds away, but wrongdoing always comes with a price.
Hey, stop. Hey, I need help.
Fire truck rush in and spray water, quickly putting out the fire. A rescue truck arrives and lifts the broken train onto its bed. Helping others in trouble is always the right thing to do.
Hello, sir. What happened? I need build a bridge. Okay, we are all ready.
The police explain the plan to build a new bridge, and all vehicles cheer in agreement. Working together makes great things happen.
Come here.
Cranes and excavators load sand into trucks non-stop. The trucks head to the construction site in order. Cooperation helps the work go faster and smoother. They dump the sand from both sides to form a solid base.
I'm here.
The crane arrives and presses the sand tightly. Every detail matters when building something that lasts.
Wow, so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
A helicopter brings in strong pillars and places them in the center.
Wow, it's great.
With the right foundation,
Wow, so beautiful.
anything is possible.
I'm so sorry. Be patient when participating in traffic.
Hi! Don't forget to like and subscribe. The cars are still sleeping inside the cave. Oh no! Is the volcano about to erupt?
Huh?
What's going on? Nothing at all. Just go back to sleep. Red McQueen wakes up, looks around, then goes back to sleep. Both yellow and red cars wake up and rush outside.
Probably nothing. Back to sleep.
The volcano's erupting so violently.
Oh no!
OMG, this is bad.
Help me, help me.
OMG! OMG! What's this? Rocks are blocking the tunnel. Lava's getting close. The blue car's still in there. What now? What should we do? Ah, I know. Okay, let's go. There's a tunnel. What are they doing?
Yay! Let's go! Let's save the green car!
Oh my god, they turned into monster trucks. The red truck moves rocks to block lava. Yellow car's rescuing the blue one.
I can't!
Let me help you.
Yeah!
Yahoo, thank you very much.
We need to block the lava, quick.
Okay, let's go!
Thank goodness, blue car's safe. but it's still tense. Look, they're stopping the lava together. We can't do it alone, but together we can overcome anything. Finally, they stopped the lava. Unity helps us overcome anything.
You all did very well. Remember, unity and teamwork are the strengths that help us overcome any challenge.